gonna go yesterday. Thursdays are the days that I go, but I'm like, you know what? We're gonna start the new year off with a bang with my Walmart Ibotta haul, you guys. I'm still in the Walmart parking lot because I have no children today. It is awesome. I've been gone for actually several hours, but I have a whole list of stuff. I was really excited to get some of these items, and then Walmart just hit 75% off, so you guys want to check that out. I will have that in a separate video because I got a lot of stuff with that too. But let's just dig in my Walmart and Ibotta haul. So I have a whole front seat full of stuff, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Okay, you guys, so the first deal we're gonna do is the Poise. Now, these were $4.18. You guys wanna use a $2 off printable coupon. We are getting some in our inserts this weekend too. But for $2 off printable coupon, you would pay $2.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it a 32-cent moneymaker. There is a lot of money makers in here, you guys, so I'm gonna share with you guys a lot. I'm just gonna pick a bag and go with it. So I found these Puffs nacho cheese. Now these are pure protein, so this is over like where the whey and all that stuff is. I kind of have it over by the personal care products, but these were $1.98. You guys would buy 2 of them. I actually had a Peely coupon. There's another one with the Peely coupon, so you guys would end up using both of those. You would pay $2.96 after the Peely coupon, but then you can submit a $1 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making these $1.96. So not the greatest deal, but I'm like, protein, my son really slacks in protein a lot, so I thought maybe these would be a good little thing to get him. I ended up getting this Gatorade bar. This was $1.48. You guys would pay $1.48, but then with my Ibotta, I get $1.59 back. So this comes out to be a 10-cent moneymaker. You guys will get this. How does I get 10 cents? It'll be 11-cent moneymaker. That's just weird. 11-cent moneymaker for this, and we have gotten these before, so that was a great deal. Then I was eyeing up the Christmas stuff, you guys. Now this I'm going to show in my Christmas haul also, but this is something you guys want to check out. So my store finally brought out the Dollar Shave Club razors, which I'm like, man, I could have gotten those when there was a rebate for it. But they had these like special, what are these? Find Your Happy Place. They had a spot for them in the center of the store, and I scanned them. Those are ringing up full price. But these are over in the Christmas section, and these are home for the holidays. I never even, that's a strong hit. I didn't even smell it because I had my mask on. But I'm like, you know what, let's price check these. So I grabbed the Walmart app. You guys definitely use it. I use that like nonstop. And I scanned this candle. This candle was ringing up $2.49. So that was like 75% off, I think. I don't know how much the regular price is, but $2.49. But with Shopkick right now, you guys will get 400 points for purchasing the product, or 450 points for purchasing the product, and 15 points for scanning it. So you guys would get $1.86 back with Shopkick. That's for all these 4 deals, and I'm gonna show you guys. So this candle technically comes out to be 60 cents after the Shopkick rebate, which is a great deal. I found this little hand lotion. This is 86 cents, you guys. 86 cents for purchasing and scanning the product. You guys would get $1.86 back. So this will become a $1 moneymaker. A $1 moneymaker. You can't go wrong with that. I ended up also getting the bath and shower gel. This was $1.74. You get $1.86 back with Shopkick. Comes out to be a 12-cent moneymaker. So I was excited about that. And then they had these bath bombs, and I'm like, sweet, let's scam this. So the bath bombs were $1.24. I know, it's crazy, $1.24 for this little thing. But you guys would get that $1.86 back with Shopkick. 62-cent moneymaker, absolutely free. So if you guys have those, look in your Christmas section. Now, if you guys do need help finding these with the Walmart app, you can send me a message, and I can send you a picture of the UPC code or something if you guys need to search for it. But you definitely want to do that. I ended up wanting this cereal, and I was so pissed. I had a 50% off coupon that they sent me, and I totally forgot to cut it out because my coupons were acting weird this morning. But I ended up getting the oatmeal cream pie. I am so beyond excited to try these, you guys. Like, this is my go-to snack for Little Debbie, and so I had to get these, and I will be doing a taste test. I got 2 other cereals that we're gonna try, but this was $3.64. You would pay $3.64 for this, but there is a 50-cent rebate for this, but you guys would get this for $3.14. So not the greatest deal, but hey, I'm trying this. I am so excited to try this. I love oatmeal cream pie. So excited to try it. Okay, so a lot of the stuff that I had, you guys, I was scanning the prices. I think I got like 5 items that said it was out of stock between my Ibotta haul and then my clearance haul. A lot of stuff was saying it was out of stock, so I scored pretty good. So these were saying they're out of stock. These are the Rolaids. These were $3.84. We do have some $2.50 off printable coupons on coupons.com, you guys. $2.50, awesome coupon. This comes out to be just $1.34. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 34 cents. This is the only one they had for anything Rolaids. I was like searching everywhere for it. But this one has the gas and heartburn, so whatever. I ended up getting the Halls Kids. I have yet to have my kids try these. I'm just waiting for them to kind of be, you know, sick, because Ben thinks this will be candy, so I'm trying to hide it from him. But these were $3.98. I did have a $1.50 off a 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You would pay $6.46 for the both of these, but then you can submit a $3.98 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them just $2.48 or $1.24. So, you know, kids might not know they're having cough drops. I think $1.34 is a pretty good deal. I ended up getting the Halls, and I ended up getting these again for my son because he thinks these are candy. So I got the sugar-free ones, and then I got the ones that that have the that thing that burns your throat, the menthol, okay? So these were $1.64. I used a $1.50 off a 2 coupon. You would pay $1.78 for this, but then you guys get a 75-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just 28 cents. That's 14 cents a piece, you guys. I think that is a great deal. I'm just putting everything aside for me. Let's see what else I can get you guys. Okay. I ended up going crazy with crackers, and I was so excited. I was not even planning on doing this. I was only planning on doing the Triscuit deal, and then I started scanning stuff, and I'm like, we're doing it. So I got the Triscuits. This is the family size. These were $3.36. You guys would pay $3.36, but there's actually 2 different rebates for this. There's a $1 one for the family size, and then there's a 75-cent for anyone. So some of you guys were saying, hey, that you can't do that. You can't do 2 rebates. Yeah, there are times where they have 2 rebates, and you're not doing anything wrong. It automatically does it for you when you scan it. You're not doing anything wrong. But with those 2 rebates, you guys would get this for $1.61, which I think is a pretty good deal. I love eating these with those little like cow cream cheese. I don't even know what it's like. I got a cow on it or something, but I love dipping those in there. Never had that stuff until I went to, I think it was like Ireland or something, and they had those on the plane. Good things. I wasn't even planning on doing this, and then I'm like, wait, there are 2 rebates for this one too, you guys. And then there's a deal where if you buy 2 out of the 3 cracker deals that I did, you get a 75-cent bonus. So that's why I wanted to do this also. So the good things are $2.23. You guys buy 2 of them, you would pay $4.46. But there's 2 rebates for this, you guys, too. You get $2.56 off a 2, plus you get 75 cents and 75 cents off with Ibotta. Comes out to be just 40 cents. That's 20 cents a box, you guys. 20 cents a box. Great deal. Now, I was gonna do the Ritz crackers. I've had so many of those crackers, it's unbelievable. Well, then I read that you don't have to do those ones that are the crispiest ones. You could do the toasted, and you could also do the crisp and thins. So I scanned these, and they both work. So these were both $2 and, no, yeah, $2.58 a piece. I bought 2 of them. I paid $5.16. But then you get $2.98 off of 2. Comes out to be just $2.18. That's $1.09 a package. I think that's a great deal. We love, you know, our little snacks. So really wanted to stock up on food deals, and a lot of you guys really enjoy those food deals. I got more, you guys. I got more food deals. I got so much Christmas clearance, it's crazy. I ended up getting these Ritz crackers. Now these were $3.22. You have to get the family size. You would pay $3.22, but there's actually a $1 rebate that you guys would get for this. So this comes out to be just $2.22. I don't know. I think that's a decent deal. I mean, considering it's family size. So, you know, I wanted to do it because my family just hoovers these crackers. It's crazy. I got the Wheat Thins. I haven't eaten these in years, and I love the ranch flavor. These were $2.38. You would pay $2.38 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.63. So I went crazy. I went cracker crazy, you guys, because that's just the way it is. I also got muscle milk. I could not find it until I was waiting in line at the store for this. This was $2.98. You would pay $2.98 for this, but my thing, I get $2.99 back free with Ibotta, so you guys would get this for a 1 penny money maker. So pretty excited to try it. Like I said, I really want my son to drink this, and Louise said she mixed it with regular milk, I think is what she said, and her kids never even noticed the difference. So if you guys need your kids to like bulk up or do something like that, definitely try that out, because my son is like the pickiest eater ever, and he slacks at so much stuff, it's ridiculous. So, and crackers have like no home. That's why I put these Ritz away. Yes. Okay. So, let's see what other deals I can share with you guys. Okay. I ended up doing this Gatorade deal. Now, there's a deal right now where if you buy this Gatorade Super Shakes, these were $7.98. $7.98. There's actually a $3 rebate with Ibotta for this, but there's a double rebate if you guys buy this. So scan your Gatorade, because I was scanning multiple ones, and there's like 2 of my store was completely sold out of pretty much every flavor, but this was the one that did scan. This was $4.98. So between the 2 of these, you guys would pay $12.96 for the both of these, but you get a $3 rebate back with Ibotta for this one, and then you get a $4.99 off of these 2 rebate back with Ibotta. So these come out to be just $4.97 for both of these, which I think is a pretty good deal. It's basically you get this for free and you just pay for the Gatorade, or $2.50 for 8 bottles of Gatorade. I think that's a great deal. So make sure you guys do scan those products to make sure you see what works. I got the Snuggle Super Care. This was $3.97. You would pay $3.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta. Comes out to be just $1.47. So it's an okay deal. I've been just swimming in those Snuggles lately. They got rid of all the discontinued ones. I got this Flow. Now this is over by the water. It was like over by, I want to say the Life Water or something like that. I don't know. But this was $1.68. You would pay $1.68 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.68 rebate with Ibotta, making these absolutely for free. So pretty excited about that. And then I think I have just a couple more things to share with you guys with that, and then that would be awesome. Okay, yeah, I went crazy with the Christmas stuff, so I'm gonna film that video right after I get done filming this one. Okay, I got 1 bag, I got 2 bags left for you guys, right? 2 bags left. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got the snacks. The snacks were $4.98. My store still had Peely coupons on them, or you guys can use printable coupons from coupons.com, but I use those Peelys, and those Peelys do end at the end of this month. So you guys would end up paying $3.98, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making them just $1.98, which I think is a pretty decent deal. So I got all 4 flavors. I got the Tiger Paws, the Pops, and the Fruit Loops, and then the Apple Jacks. I have yet to try any of the other flavors except the Fruit Loops, but I absolutely love the Fruit Loops. Got this Propel. My son actually drinks the Propel every once in a while. So this was $1.98. You would pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making these just 98 cents. So I got that. And then I did the gum deal because why not? So the gum deal, these were $1.88. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $3.76 for this, but then you get $1.88 off of 2 back with Ibotta, making it $1.88 for both of them. And then I ended up doing the Trident little ones. These were $1.12. You buy 2 of them, you would pay $2.24, but then you guys will get a you would submit $1.12 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.12. So that was my haul, you guys. I did pretty good. I was so excited for the cracker deal. I'd like to stock up on on crackers. I was gonna get the Rayo soup, and then when I scanned the item at the store today, it was no longer there. So some of those did end today. But my total came to $90.57. I got $50.07 back with Ibotta. I got $7.48 back with Shopkick. My Weekend Warrior, I needed 10 items for $5. I got a 75-cent bonus rebate. I got a $1 bonus rebate for like the Gatorade, the muscle milk and stuff. So my grand total came to $26.27. I got 35 items at just 75 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm happy with what I got. I know a lot of food items, that's what we want the most. So thank you guys for watching. The people are parked right in front of me staring at me like, what am I doing? But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.